Have you ever wondered why the market seems to move against your trade right before going in the direction you predicted? You enter a buy position. The market drops, hits your stop loss, and then suddenly rallies higher. Or maybe you sell, only to watch price spike up, take you out, and then crash exactly where you expected. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The truth is, most retail traders are looking at the market the wrong way. They're focusing on indicators, patterns, and signals that everyone else can see. Meanwhile, institutional traders, hedge funds, banks, and smart money participants are operating on a completely different level. They're not chasing the market, they're creating the moves. In this masterclass, you're going to learn how smart money concepts, often called SMC and ICT trading strategies, help traders understand what the largest players in the market are doing. We'll cover market structure, liquidity grabs, order blocks, fair value gaps, and complete trade execution models used by professional traders around the world. By the end of this training, you'll have a framework that can be applied to Forex, gold, indices, stocks, and even cryptocurrency markets. So grab a notebook, eliminate distractions, and get ready to see the market through a completely different level. Let's begin. Chapter 1. What is smart money? Before we can trade like institutions, we first need to understand who the institutions are. When we talk about smart money, we're referring to large market participants. These include major banks, hedge funds, investment firms, pension funds, and other organizations that control enormous amounts of capital. Unlike retail traders, who may trade a few hundred or a few $1,000s, institutions often move millions or even billions of dollars. Because of their size, they cannot simply enter or exit positions instantly. They require liquidity, and that's where most retail traders unknowingly become part of the game. Retail traders tend to place their stop losses in obvious locations.
Above resistance, below support, above equal highs, below equal lows. These areas become pools of liquidity. Smart money seeks that liquidity because it allows them to execute large positions efficiently. Understanding this single concept can completely change the way you view the market. Instead of asking, "Where should I buy?" you begin asking, "Where is the liquidity? Where are retail traders trapped? Where are institutions likely to enter?" Those questions lead to a much deeper understanding of price action. Liquidity grab section. Liquidity is the fuel that drives the market. Without liquidity, institutions cannot efficiently buy or sell large positions. Imagine thousands of traders placing their stop losses above a recent high. Institutions know those stop losses exist. Price moves upward. The stops are triggered. Buy orders flood into the market. Institutions use that liquidity to fill large sell positions. Then the market reverses sharply. To the retail trader, it looks like manipulation. To the institutional trader, it's simply business. This event is known as a liquidity grab or liquidity sweep. And once you learn how to identify these sweeps, you'll begin seeing them everywhere. Congratulations! You now understand the foundation of smart money concepts and ICT trading. You've learned market structure. You've learned liquidity. You've learned order blocks. You've learned fair value gaps. And most importantly, you've learned how institutions think. Remember, trading is not about predicting every move. It's about identifying high probability opportunities and managing risk effectively. Focus on consistency, protect your capital, follow your trading plan, and continue developing your understanding of market behavior. The traders who succeed aren't necessarily the smartest. They're the most disciplined. Thank you for watching.